Good morning, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson, headed down to Silver Spring today. Got a lead on could be a listing, could be an investment property, could be a flip, could be a wholesale deal. I don't really know, but we're gonna go check this house out. We'll see you there. Here in sunny Silver Spring, of course, yes, this house was a referral, real close to Beers Mill Road, which is kind of loud and busy, but this area, nice and hot. Down in the basement, got wood paneling, peel and stick tile floor that's coming up. We got a great storage room. HVAC is from 09. Water heater is from 22. But great storage space, panel. Everything works in good shape, but we do have some knob and tube. Huge space down here. Laundry room, a slop sink, and a little more storage. And if you know anything about Silver Spring, pencil sharpener is a staple down here. And then we also have a nice walkout out to the backyard and a full bath down here. Front door, living and dining room. Did a big addition several years ago. Side door that walks out to a wraparound porch. Big sliding glass door. Connects into the kitchen. And then there's the front door, obviously. The original house down the hall. Big storage closet. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And on the second full bath. And I think this was updated about 20 years ago. We do have some water coming in there, a little rust. Let's go take a look outside. So I'm taking a tour around the outside. We got a big carrier system. Looks like it was done in 16. Either steel or aluminum siding. Fenced in backyard. There's that wraparound porch. Roof was just done a couple years ago. Everything's in great shape there. And we got some peel and paint down there. Side of the house. Got some more peel and paint. And then crawl space under the addition. Just wrapped up here in Silver Spring, hitting the road, headed back for the office. This house is going to be an investor special.